Hi, I'm Erin Manning, and today I'm chatting with Janine Perkle, advertising executive and personal photo organizing small business owner. Hi, Janine.
Hi, Erin.
So now, Janine, in her spare time, has become her family's historian. So Janine, can you share with us how that came about?
Sure. My father was the unofficial patriarch of our family, and he always had a camera in his hand. Unfortunately, when he passed away, I inherited 40 to 50 of these types of photo albums.
Wow, that's a lot of photo albums, and this looks like a cool album too. Look at all these photos.
It includes everything from my parents' childhood through my brothers and my childhood and our adulthood, and then the only grandson, Brian's childhood as well.
That's amazing. So lots of great photos. So did you share these with your family?
Well, I realized I could share them just by scanning them and restoring them because they were photos that I'm sure a lot of the family had not seen before.
Yes, and I imagine when you did that, they were very appreciative.
Very much so.
So how did you get started with all of it?
Well, it actually started with a family tree. My grandmother is one of 11 siblings. So I started with a family tree and started adding photos to it as I could find them.
I love that you have a visual family tree. That's unique.
I reached out to all of my cousins in the area through social media, email, whatever I could find and whatever they were willing to contribute, and I was able to really fill it in quite well.
I'll say. Wow, well, as you were going through this whole journey down memory lane with all the photographs, was there anything that kind of stood out or a really particularly emotional thing that you noticed?
Absolutely, absolutely. I discovered this photo album, which was my father's. I had never seen it before. It was my father's photo album that he kept when he was in the Navy.
Great.
And there's some amazing photos in here.
Yes.
But of course, a lot of them needed restoring.
Right, I can see a few are fading quite a bit.
Exactly. I took a flip pel scanner and scanned them right in the album because I didn't want to possibly damage anything by taking it out. And then I used Vivid-Pix Restore software to revive the black and white, and even the black and white photo was able to restore some of these more yellowing official military documents.
Ah, excellent. I could see where it'd be really important to scan it in the book too, because your dad wrote all the names and all the descriptions of everything going on. I love that.
It tells the story, and that's what I thought was important for Brian, the only grandson, to be able to know and hear.
Definitely. Now tell me about what was your family's reaction to all of this?
Well, my brother actually is a radio disc jockey and program director. And it was fun because I found this one photo of my father where he was manning the radio on the ship.
Yes.
And when I showed it to my brother, when I was able to share it with my brother, we all got a big laugh. We thought the apple didn't fall too far from the tree on that one.
Oh, that's great. And see, how would anyone have known unless you had found it in the old family photo album?
Exactly. I think my dad would be proud that we're all sharing his story now.
Oh, I bet he would be too. Thank you so much for sharing all of your family photos and memories. This was really special.
Thank you.
Well, that's it. If you'd like to find out more about scanning and enhancing your old photographs, just check out the websites listed on the screen.